Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October, is it the 7th? It is the 7th. We had, let me see, yesterday was 163, and so far today, 22. I have 25 orders to ship. Let's get ready to rumble. Oh, I can't say that. That's like copywritten or something. So, let's see, C47. I didn't do any listing yesterday. My beard, either my face is crooked or these things just grow weird. Like when I had hair, I had like a natural part over here, and I hated it. I don't know. If I shave this though, I'm gonna look twice as fat as I am. Anyway. C47. Yeah, so I didn't do any listing yesterday. I worked on social media content. I did 4 YouTube videos, and man, old eyes this morning. I'm gonna have to blow this one up because it looks like all the other main cards. So I did 4 YouTube videos. I did the morning one like this. Before that, I did a what sold polos for the members side of things. And then I did the video, the road tripping and postcard picking video for Allentown, where it's just the walk around. And then that was like 11 minutes. That's someone messaging me. And they lost my train of thought for me. I'm going to release the postcard, road trip and postcard picking to everybody. But the haul video where I show you what I got, it's like a half hour long. Talk about why I bought it and stuff like that. That's going to be members only. So I'm going to release 3 videos today. This one, the road tripping, and the members video. So those will be out. I don't know. You space them out? Do you just put them out there? I've always been one to just put it out there, not space it out. Excuse me. Let me see, U26. And so the thumbnail, again, I have ChatGPT doing the thumbnail for me. It takes the, I don't have to create it. I just tell it what I want. I don't care too much what it looks like, just so it's done. Because when I was doing all my thumbnails either in Photopea or I was doing them in Canva. And, trying to come up with something new. It's just, I just didn't have the bandwidth, the brain power to keep coming up with stuff. So I'll just tell ChatGPT to do it for me. It's just a thumbnail. I've never been into the videos or the videos that clickbaity. I do it, and I feel all cringy and dirty after doing it, but I guess people fall for it. But I wonder how many of those people who do those, those clickbaity thumbnails, how much, how many downvotes, how much traffic do they actually get? I don't know. I think the key to social media is to have I need to be a cute girl in a bikini, push my boobs together. And, I'm not trying to be whatever, but it just seems like that's who's popular in social media. And does that have even a place in reselling world? I don't think so. I should have got into social media when I first started selling postcard, when it first came out. I think I started it before YouTube ever came about. I could have been somebody. Nice multi-order airplane cards here going to the same person. A little thick, but I don't think it's enough to... I'll probably go with a 3-ounce rate, but I don't think it's enough for me to send it ground advantage. I'll have to worry about that on the when I go to print the labels. So A10. So that's about it, really. I do have to prepare for Ephemerama this weekend. I have a Saturday show. And did I get that one? Yeah, I think you got that one. So I have some lots ready, and I'll talk about that more probably Thursday or Friday. TV3. And I don't know if I'm going to do a video like I used to do, showing each and every card. It can be a quick video. I'm not sure how that really went over. Let me know if you've been around for a while. Did those preview videos, were they good? Or did they help you determine how much to spend, not to bid? I don't know. And again, any questions? I'm just kind of riffing here, and I think I answered most questions. It was nice to see what yesterday on the thumbnail about the Gen Zers, and had a Gen Zer reach out or put a message in there, a comment. So I thought that was cool. And I know before, last year, before I disappeared for 9 months, I was contemplating interviewing Lil's Postcards. I think she's college age, so a Gen Zer. She's into postcards, selling postcards. So probably need to reach back out and see if she would be interested in doing an interview. Finding the time for that, though, I'm not sure. So what do we got? Bobsledders, Switzerland. Pretty nice. I don't know where that's going. And what do we got next? Utica AL1. So I have a boatload of these. Same thing. Never put the information on these little tabs. So I'm going to waste my time and go through this box to try to find that specific card, and hopefully it's here. Here it is. Utica, New York, Hotel Utica. Already sleeved. So what else we got here? AA11. I got this one when I was visiting my kid down in Richmond while she was in college. It might help if I pull the right area. Uh-oh. I doubt it's in here. That is AA34. I thought this was a continental size card. Maybe it's not. Did I mark it? Okay, we'll find it. But I found this, pretty sure I did a road trip and postcard picking, showing kind of a unique shop where I got this at. Oh no, it's here. It's not a continental. Okay, cool. And as I was going through my phone yesterday, getting all the Allentown, I have to get a bigger sleeve, Allentown videos together, I came across, I kept all the images, all the video I did for a road tripping, postcard picking to an antique mall near Hagerstown, Maryland. So I can put that together. Down on the bottom. What's this? That ain't good. That was on the ground. Thankfully, I didn't run it over. Hey, what? Right up here. Oh, you know, it's the chair. The chair will bump against that and take postcards away. These cards, these are the German. Now, this wasn't listed that long ago, but I did a deep discount, 63% off on all my German World War I German cards. Some have been listed for 2.5 months. Some have been listed for 6 months. So I probably should have done a better job of just putting the. There's the other one. That's cool. Good. Putting the ones that are older on sale, but I just went indiscriminately World War I, German, propaganda, and I just 60-some% off. Trying to get some sales going, trying to get some of these out the door, and I don't know where that one is. Did I pull the right? No, I didn't pull the right one. So I'm doing deep discounts on these. Here's another, the Grusas 8029 that's sold. Okay, wrong box. What is that? I failed successfully. So I was meaning to pull AY11, but I pulled AY12. I've had my coffee today too. But I pulled the AY, yeah, I meant to pull AY11, but I pulled AY12. And I had to pull AY12 anyway. Let me see if I can find it. It'd be pretty easy to locate. People flying out of the barrel of a cannon. So what was this? This was originally $34. Again, I was shooting for the skies when I was pricing those. What are we at? 12 minutes, 13 minutes again, talking about nothing. So, do you guys do deep discounts just to get stuff going, just to get it out of the house? And I think these both, same person? No, these both go Grounded Vantage, I believe. Yeah, Grounded Vantage, because they were $20 postcards, $30 postcards, and I talked him down. He even says, wow, what a super sale price. It's okay. I'm still making 3-4x on these. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. I'll probably upload it right after this one uploads. Again, just to put it out there, I'm not going to wait. I'll get the Allentown road tripping postcard picking video up. Got more. This guy bought a whole bunch. I got everything. V28, he got that one. I-32. Almost need like a co-host, don't I? I don't want to get it. I think it would be fun. You know, just kind of, pulling orders, just bullshitting with someone. But again, I don't want to turn this into a 4-hour show in the morning, because I know how I am. 4 There it is. Jeez. When I have a whole bunch of the same, I'll usually just do put the number on the sleeve, and then I'll replace the sleeve. There we go. So yesterday, yeah, I got one Sunday was horrible at $20 some in sales. Yesterday, I sent, because I don't think I sent offers all weekend, so that helped with the sales. These are kind of cool. Oh, I didn't get any. They're luggage labels from the Seaboard Railroad out in Florida. I had a whole bunch. I don't know how many I have left. 24 available. I think I had like 40 of these available, and I sell two a month. And well, since these are very delicate, I mean, if you just touch the foil, it'll get marked up. So I just use these, everyone gets one of these. I use it as a stiffener, so they get two, kind of sandwich it in between there. And I think that goes with a stamp. But anyway, yeah. It would be, yes, I'm back into social media, and I'm actually I'm doing more than I ever have. But I can only do so much, and I don't know if adding like a live show into the mix or something like that. Oh, holy hell, right off the bat. That's a cool card. I don't know if I have it in me, but I think it'd be neat. I don't know who I'd co-host with, because I don't know if you almost need to do not two postcard people. That would kind of get very nichey and might be kind of boring. But I don't know. I'm going to do a refresh. Nothing else is sold. 17 minutes of rambling is probably good enough. So this video, as soon as it uploads, I'll slam you with road trip and postcard picking, and members, the half-hour haul video will be also right after that. So probably an hour of viewing pleasure or more. Okay, I got to pack this up. I got to walk to the post office because I didn't do it yesterday. And I got to get the stuff together for Ephemerama today. And I got to shoot some reels for another platform. Not ready to share that one yet. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Hope your sales are good today. And questions, comments, all that good stuff. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. I appreciate it. Thank you.